Hey guys! In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best drone under 250 grams in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. DJI Mini 2 Drone. This drone weighs less than 249 gram. Built-in 1080 pixel HD camera with 90-degree adjustable angle. It can be adjusted to take better aerial photos and videos with FPV transmission. You can see the sky from a live video through a specialized app on your phone. This drone comes equipped with a 360-degree propeller guard that fully protects the propellers and improves flight safety. Thanks to advanced sensors, it can also hover precisely. It also large capacity battery provide maximum flight time 31 minutes. It can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. There's no need to get so close for your dream shot. 4x digital zoom makes it safer and more convenient when transitioning between shots of varying distance and composition. This drone carefully optimizes user experience and intelligent features thanks to smart return to home, automatic takeoff, and precise hovering. Operation is more streamlined and safer than ever. One key: high-speed rotation would bring more fun mid-flight. The possibilities are endless when the sky is your playground. This small drone is your ideal travel companion, transforming how you capture your favorite memories. Number 4. ICHINI X5 Drone. This drone is very light and weighs 229 gram. According to this weight, such a mini size is easy to carry. This drone built with 4K camera. Each picture ensures shooting 3840 into 2160 high-resolution images and videos with 90 degrees rotation adjustable lens, and 5G fluent FPV transmission will let you experience the world right before your eyes. It also brushless motor with aviation propellers for high aerodynamic efficiency, which is more quiet and longevous than a brushed motor. It also large capacity 2200 mAh battery. The large capacity battery provides the drone 30 minutes flight time each charge. It also GPS positioning gives you the precise positioning details of the drone, keeping track of the position of the drone, and providing the automatic return function. You won't lose the drone anytime, along with the optical flow positioning, barometer, and satellite systems, and it has a terrific return to home point and a new more precise landing technology. This drone provide intelligent features. One key: high-speed rotation would bring more fun mid-flight, thanks to smart return to home, automatic takeoff and precise hovering. Operation is more streamlined and safer than ever. Number 3. 40RC F3 Drone Camera. The 40RC F3 drone comes with a built-in 4K quality video to get nice stable video with your action camera, and catches incredible clarity 4096 into 3072 pixel photos. 5 GHz transmission ensures beautiful scenes are sent back to the phone, and 90-degree adjustable angle enables broader views. This drone also comes with rechargeable 7.4-volt 2000 mAh batteries. This drone allows you to fly up to 30 minutes when they're charged, and takes about 2 hours to charge. Equipped with GPS positioning, the drone can automatically follow the pilots when it is losing signal or power, or you press one key return, it will, and fly back to takeoff point automatically. Besides, you will have an easy start with functions like altitude hold, headless mode, get worry-free flight, and have better shots. Follow me mode make the drone always follow your steps and point. The camera will catch your every move and take aerial photos, videos. This drone can be a great photography tool. During follow me mode, point of interest, waypoints and object track. It frees your hands and allows you to focus on creative video contents. You can even add narration while shooting videos. Grab it and film your adventures or happy moments. Number 2. Bayansky L900 Pro Drone. The L900 Pro aerial photography drone injects powerful flight performance into a lightweight body. It can accompany you to travel at any time with the easy-to-use app to help you fly freely, create as you wish, and discover the beauty of the other side of familiar things. This drone 4K HD wide-angle camera with the 90-degree electric adjustable and HD real-time image transmission. This drone provides you ultra-clear photos 4096 into 3072 pixel and videos 2048 into 1080 pixel, and 25 FPS from nearly 1200 meters away help you see the world from multiple angles. With 5G Wi-Fi function can be connected app, take pictures, video, real-time transmission. Through the phone camera image, it is so quiet but very powerful. Brushed motors, speed is higher, emit lower noise, and dissipate heat more quickly. Stronger wind resistance, enabling stable and fast drone flight. This drone large capacity 7.4 volt 2200 mAh battery can provide 28-minute flight time. This drone equipped with GPS positioning function can automatically follow the operator when it loses signal or low battery, or you press one key to return. It will automatically fly back to the takeoff point. The drone will automatically follows and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. Number 1. KCX RG101 Drone Camera. This drone full HD camera built with shock absorption holder ensures shooting 4096 into 3072 pixel high-resolution images and videos. 90-degree adjustable lens enables you to see the world from different angle, and 5G Wi-Fi high-speed image transmission without delay. 5 GHz FPV transmission. This drone can perform 360-degree flips and rolls. Circle fly makes fly more attractive. Equipped with a brushless motor with a smaller size and battery performance, with high burst strong power, high-speed power output of 3200 RPM wind resistance, the index is as high as level 7, and the flight is more comfortable and stable. This drone provide large capacity 7.4 volt 3000 mAh battery. The intelligent batteries works for 25 minutes. This drone GPS-assisted intelligent flight system, it returns automatically whenever battery is low, signal is lost, or you press one key return. It also is smart to fly at your will, following you automatically, flying along a path you set, or fly around a point in circles. You may focus on your photography and creation. This drone can foldable system, it can be easily stored in a handbag for outdoor carrying. The drone arm can be replaced when the motor or drone arm is damaged. Just replace the drone arm and it can fly again.